Okay, we're gonna have a little experiment. I read something that said that honey, even though it's really sweet, is extremely acidic because that's how the bees make it, and because that's one of the things that helps keep honey from spoiling. I have a hard time believing it's super acidic. It doesn't taste anything like lemons or vinegar or anything like that, but we're gonna do an experiment. So here we have purple cabbage juice, which is an acid-base indicator. It's purple when it's fairly neutral. Here we have very basic baking soda, and here we have honey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the baking soda in first, and this should change color, and then we're gonna see how much honey it takes to bring it back to purple. And if it goes in the other direction, I can't remember which color it is when it's basic, so let's see. I think it's blue. It'll start off purple. Ooh, yeah. It's blue when it's basic. So you can see it's turned blue. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's definitely sort of a navy blue color. So it should be pink if it's acidic. So that's basic. And let's see, honey. There wasn't very much baking soda either. Ooh, honey, 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 honey. Honey does not spoil unless it gets too much moisture in it, which honey attracts moisture, so that's why we just have to keep it nice and closed. It's kind of hard to get honey to dissolve in a room temperature liquid, so this could take some stirring. And of course I dripped it because you always drip honey. Dingy, 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 dingy. It's not changing. It's still very basic. Did I hear baloney? I gotta get another spoon. Can't keep putting the same spoon back. Don't want cabbage juice in my honey. There goes another drip. Honey, 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 honey. Honey is antibacterial, antimicrobial. So you can put it on your wounds. I wouldn't recommend doing that on cuts outside though, because then you will end up with a whole bunch of honeybees all over your wound. That does not sound good. That is a lesson I am actually giving to you that is not actually learned from experience. Most things I do dumb. Okay, people, y'all said honey was acidic. According to my acid-base indicator, it's not so acidic. I'm gonna put this last bit of spoon in. I'm gonna lick a little bit of that, and I'm gonna get my vinegar, and we are gonna see what a known acid does. It is lightening. It is getting a little bit lighter, a little bit more green. I'll be right back. I gotta go get my vinegar. Watch out. Ugh. This might be a little overkill, but boopity boop boop boo. Ha ha. Back to purple. Almost back to purple. There's purple. Oh, too much. The fizzy's because that baking soda's still in there. Back to purple. And that's when the overall liquid is acidic. It becomes more pink. That's awesome, isn't it? I love it. And then, dun 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 dun, acid. Possible mess. Possible mess. Oh, mess! Actual mess! Base.